1. Abbott iSTAT 1 Handheld Blood Gas Analyzer Operator's Course Questions and Answers graded A+. What is the primary function of a Handheld blood gas analyzer? Heavy check mark. The primary function is to provide rapid, point-of-care analysis of blood gases, electrolytes, and other critical parameters. How should the device be prepared for use before performing a test? Heavy check mark. Ensure the device is charged. Perform a self-test and insert a new test cartridge that matches the required test parameters. What is the typical sample volume required for testing with a handheld blood gas analyzer? The typical sample volume required is approximately 50 microliters of whole blood. How should a blood sample be obtained for testing with the analyzer? A blood sample should be obtained through capillary or venous sampling, depending on the test being performed. 1/2. 2. What is the recommended action if an error code appears during operation? Refer to the operator manual to identify the error code and follow the troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. What parameters can be measured by handheld blood gas analyzers? Heavy check mark. Blood gases, pH, PCO2, PO2, electrolytes, sodium, potassium, chloride, calcium, glucose, and hematocrit. How do you ensure that the handheld analyzer delivers accurate results? Heavy check mark. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for proper sample collect, tie-in, testing, and regular calibration of the device. What is the recommended method for cleaning the handheld analyzer? Heavy check mark. Wipe the device's surface with a soft, damp cloth and mild detergent, avoiding the use of harsh chemicals that could damage the device. How should used test cartridges be disposed of? Dispose of used cartridges according to your facility Euro-S biohazard disposal protocols. Powered by TCPDF, www.tcpdf.org. 2/2.